Here is my girl learn to ride her bike. Go Bracket! Thank goodness these girls have Daddy, because they probably wouldn't know how to ride a bike. He's such a good teacher. How's it going, Brack?
Good.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Are you doing so good?
Yep.
Are you having so much fun?
Yeah.
Yay! You're okay. I'll move out of the way. Whoop! That's okay.
Hi. Oh no.
Good job.